Grab versus Foodpanda. Which one provides the best value? Hi everyone, in this video we will be looking into food and grocery delivery using both Grab and Foodpanda for those of you in Southeast Asia where those two apps are the most popular. So I will be providing a step-by-step walkthrough of how to place an order using these two apps, comparing the two apps together, and providing a summary of the value that each provides to their customers at the end. So let's start with food delivery using Grab. So we go to the app. From the top menu here, we select food. So we scroll down. From here, we can choose which cuisine we like. Here we can choose new restaurants or some restaurants with offers, etc. We can also order from the restaurants we used before. Here we have the full list of restaurants with filters now appearing on top. So you can filter by things like cuisine, delivery fee, so you can choose the maximum delivery fee that you are willing to pay. You can also choose budget eats, which will give you restaurants that are budget friendly. Or you can choose restaurants with promotions. You can also choose how you want to sort the list of restaurants. Or you can look at all the sort and filtering options here. Now we are going to place an order from Pizza Hut restaurant. So we selected the restaurant. Now we're going to scroll down through the menu. And we are going to choose the first option here. Now we're going to select how we're going to customize our order. Now that we are ready, we're going to go ahead and add to the basket. We're going to search for onion rings. We want to add onion rings to our order, so we're going to search for it. Once we find it, we can also click on the plus sign to add it to our order. We can also add a drink to our order. Now that we are done, we're going to go ahead and go to the basket. And from here, we're going to add our address, what delivery option we prefer. And then we're going to look at the order summary. And we have here the total as well, including taxes. We can also see here that there is packaging charge added to the bill. This is not always the case, but some restaurants will charge that. You can also contribute to their carbon neutral program by adding a small fee. Now looking at the payment options that you have, you can pay in cash, you can pay by card, or you can use PayPal or any of the other options listed here. Now you are ready to place your order. Now let's look at Foodpanda. So we go to the app, and from here we choose food delivery. This is a list of some restaurants that have 25% discount. So if we close that, we can get here some restaurants with other types of offers that we can choose from. New restaurants, favorite local restaurants, some restaurants recommended to you based on your previous orders, etc. And now we get the list of all restaurants with filters on top, just like what we saw with Grab. So again, we have various filters here that we can choose from. So we can include highly rated restaurants or specific cuisine or budget-friendly restaurants, low budget, medium budget, or high budget. Now let's go back and place the same order that we did before on Grab here on Foodpanda. So we go to Pizza Hut, select the same items that we chose before, go through the options and make our choices similar to what we did on Grab. Now we are ready to add to the cart. We add the other two items, the onion rings and the drink. Now we are ready to go ahead and place the order. So we review our cart. So we see our items here. We see also the same packaging fee was applied here as well. Now we are ready to review the order. So we click on this button. Here you add your address, which delivery option you prefer. If you want it to be delivered at later time, you can also do that. Or if you want to pick it up, that's also an option. Now the payment options, so similar to Grab, but here also you can use Apple Pay or a Touch and Go card if you have one. So better payment options in my opinion. You can also tip your rider, so you can select which tip you want to add to your order. Once you're ready, you can place the order. Now looking at the two orders side by side, we can see it slightly costs more on Grab than Foodpanda. Now let's look at how we can order groceries from Grab. So this time we're gonna click on Mart. We're gonna scroll down and click on this shop here. We can see the categories on top. Now we're gonna select some groceries. So we're gonna start with maybe carrots and go to poultry and then add some chicken. And then we can go to seafood as well, and we can add some salmon. And we're gonna search for water. We're gonna add this item here. Now that we are ready, we're gonna go to the basket. And if we scroll down here, we can see that there is a small order fee added to our order. So we're gonna add some items just to remove this small order fee. So we can increase the salmon from 1 to 2. Keep in mind that if you are paying in cash, the order cannot exceed a certain amount. Now let's order groceries using Foodpanda. So again, we're gonna go here to the shops and we're gonna select the same shop. And same, you have the categories here as well, and then you can select which subcategory you like. We're gonna make the same order that we did on Grab here as well. So we're gonna select the same items. We're gonna search for water. Add it to the order. We can see here that there is a new fee called platform fee, which was not on Grab, but it's applied here on Foodpanda. Now looking at the two orders side by side, Foodpanda was slightly more expensive than Grab. So in summary, Grab has more restaurants, as you can see from this screenshot here taken during a holiday. They can also deliver at almost any time, as you can see from this screenshot here that was taken at midnight. Foodpanda, on the other hand, has better payment options. You can use Apple Pay or you can use Touch and Go card if you have one. They also have better offers, as we saw from the flash deals that they present to their customers. All right, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this useful, and let me know if you have any questions or comments. I would love to hear from you.